Hey guys, it's Mimi Brown Skin here, and I'm coming at you guys today with a little haul. It's been a long time, guys, but I was busy doing a lot of stuff, and I'm back, as you guys know, and I thought that I would do this quick little haul for you guys because I picked up some really cool stuff, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And I would like to thank all my subscribers that's been with me since I started, and I will be doing a giveaway after I reach 100 subscribers. Right now I'm at 71, but when I reach 100 subscribers I will be doing a giveaway. So thank you guys for everything. I mean, it means a lot to me. Even though I only have 71 subscribers, there are 71 loyal people that's been with me since the beginning, and I really want to show my appreciation to you guys. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. But right now, let's just get to the haul. Can't talk, guys. Okay, first thing I'm going to show you guys is my shoes. I got two pair of sandals, and both of them were from Charlotte Russe. And the first pair that I got is these right here. And these sandals right here. And they're really cute coral sandals with the gold on the sides. Just coral and gold basic sandals. But I just thought they were really cute for the summer. And these were $19.50. The next pair that I got, well, I said that they both were from Charlotte Russe, but that one was from Charlotte Russe and this one is from Body Central. And these are the Gladiator sandals in brown, and these were $29.98, and these are really cute for the summer as well. Love those sandals. And then the next thing that I got is from Pinky Paradise, contact lenses. So the first pair that I got is these right here, and they're the Bella contact lenses, and the color is hazel. I think it's hazel brown, and I don't know if you guys can see them, but that's them right there. And this is the color number right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Also got a new camera, guys, so bear with me. I mean, I really don't know a crap about it, and I really don't know how to use it, so bear with me, guys. But that's the contacts, and I will be doing a video with me trying these on, so don't worry, I got you guys, I got you. And the next pair that I got is the Princess Series Mimi, and these are brown also, and I got them in the color XMM/204, and I didn't get a prescription on neither one of my pairs of contacts, guys. And they just look like this. This is the packaging on them, and this is the numbers for the colors, and they're in like a brown color. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I will be doing a video trying them on for you guys, so I got you. And I love this company. I mean, they were really sweet. They sent me 2 contact lens holders, and I got one. It looks like an elephant, and this one here is a little hippo. Really cute in yellow and blue. Love it, love it. And the contacts were, I think for both pairs I paid them what, like $40, $44, something like that. Moving on to the next thing. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is some jeggings that I got from what was it, It's Fashion, my local It's Fashion. And I love these jeggings. They are high-waisted jeggings. And the first pair I got is these high-waisted jeggings. And here's the back of them. And they come really long, guys. Just like a legging. They're called jeggings, but I wanted to show you guys these because I love them. And they're really, really stretchy. And I only paid these $17.99. And the color is like a orange, like a coral orange. Really cute. So that's those. And the next ones I got is high-waisted jeggings also. And they look like this in pink. And they come really long like the other ones I showed you. But these don't have pockets in the back, guys. But they are really cute. I love them. And they're stretchy as well. They have a lot of stretch to them, guys. Really comfortable. And these were $17.99 also. $17.99. And I love them. And they have really cute zip like detailing. It's not really a pocket. It's just like to add detailing to them. And I love them. Okay, moving on to the next thing is my jewelry. And if you guys were wondering, these earrings right here, they were made by a friend of mine and I love them. They're cheetah print. They have this cute little chain detailing on them with studs and this really cute little red blingy thing in the middle, and I love it. Really cute. And I'm gonna show you guys the first necklace I got, which is this one, and it's really cute. I got it from Charlotte Russe, and it just says love with the heart in the middle. I love this chain because I seen Rihanna with one, and I love Rihanna. And this one was, as you know, Charlotte Russe jewelry is 2 for $10. So I got this one, and I also picked up this one, which I wore. But they were 2 for $10, and I love this one. Chunky statement piece with the smaller chains on the end. That's that one. Love it. And then the next piece of jewelry that I got was from It's Fashion. And it's this cute little chain right here. It has a jaguar in the middle with little tassels on the end. I love it. And it's really cute on, guys. Really cute on. And the next thing that I got is this cute, I love this chain. This really cute chain that I picked up from Rue 21. And this chain was $3.99, guys. Yes, $3.99, and I love it. It's just one of these chunky statement chains. Really cute, guys. Really cute. Really cute. I really love this one. And this is it right here. It's not very long. It's very fitted to the neck. And I love it. Moving on to the next thing I got right here, which I love, guys. It's this really cute body chain that I picked up from Body Central. Really cute. And this is it right here. I mean, I can't even show you guys how it fits, but let me know if you guys want me to show you in the outfit of the day what this chain looks like on. It's really cute. It's just one of those body chains, but I love it. I plan on pairing it with a maxi skirt and a tank, but just let me know if you guys want me to do that video for you guys, and I will. And that's it. And I paid this one, how much was it? I think $5, no more than $5. That right there. And the last thing I picked up, guys, were just these regular basic hoop earrings from Body Central, and I paid these $5.98. And that's it for my quick little simple fast haul. I mean, I couldn't wait to do a video just so I can show you guys that I'm back, but I will be uploading a lot of videos now, being that I have my new camera, and it's the T3i camera. And that's about it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will get back at you guys later. Bye.